I am gonna have to go get my tan on, get rid of my blackheads, get beautiful plump lips, have sparkling eyes, and frizz-free hair. Oh, and I'm gonna be very well hydrated. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Allure Beauty box reveal for the month of May. And if you watched my previous video, I have been unable to unsubscribe to this box. I can't figure out how, I can't log in, I can't figure it out. So I've just been continued to subscribe to it because it's reasonably affordable, but I want to pick the one I like the best, which at the moment is BoxyCharm, but I have gotten some great things from Allure. And to be honest, it helps me add to my collection to continue to do these videos at a much more affordable price than going out and buying even one thing a month. Because if I were to go buy like one high-end product a month, guess what? That would be the price of both the BoxyCharm and the Allure Beauty box. So to me, this is a good investment for my business. It helps me review things for you guys at a much lower cost. And if you're a person who wants to get more makeup, I would suggest these subscription boxes. It helps immensely. Moving on. I'm talking at the speed of light because I just drank a Monster and I'm super sick, so it's helping me get along. Even though I really shouldn't have had a Monster, but it was sugar-free. I gotta calm down, killer. Breathe, child. Alright, let's open this box. This is what the box looks like. We open it up and inside we have Geico. Get that post-savings glow. I wonder if those are faux or real freckles. Who knows nowadays? So we have the Allure Beauty box for the month of May. We have the promo codes and all the information inside as per usual in this little pamphlet. And then we get another clear bag. It seems like every month we get, oh, this one's different. Oh, we have a different bag. This one doesn't have snaps. Most of the bags I've gotten for the last 3 months have been a clear bag with 2 snaps here. And this one has a, you pull it up. So it pulls out of this little, what is that? It's like a flap with a holder thingy. And it's neon orange. I could take this hunting. Just kidding. Okay, so inside, oh, we've got a lot of stuff. I'm excited. We have the anti-frizz sheets, portable hair luster sheets with coconut oil and UV protection by Nunzio Savanio. Nunzio Savanio. I don't know how to say that. It's NS is what it looks like. There's 2 anti-frizz sheets. I'm gonna have to try that. My hair be crazy most of the time. In fact, almost all the time. The next thing we have is the, ooh, Saint Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Natural looking glow in 3 hours. That's freaking awesome. I'm so excited for this. That's lit. I probably shouldn't apply it unevenly. This is cool. I'm excited for that. The packaging is plastic though. It looks glass at first, but it's plastic. So you can throw it in your beach bag and not break it. There are oftentimes in the Allure Beauty box that things are sample size, not full size. So to promote the products, you go find them and you love them. Like in the last Allure box, the True Cream Aqua Bomb by Belief. This little sample, this stuff is the bomb. It has brought life back to my skin recently. I've been so dry, and this stuff is incredible. I'm probably gonna have to go find what this actually cost and put it on like a wish list or buy it on sale because this stuff is the bomb. I'm basically already out of it. It's so good. Needless to say, sample rant. The next thing in the box is the Eyelits Metallic Eyeshadow by Model Co. So Model Company probably. It looks like it is cruelty free. Comes in this cute little box. Model Co. Oh, I love the packaging. Very sleek. It is a golden sheen. That looks pretty though. It looks like something natural. You could top it over eyeshadows. That looks gorgeous actually. I am excited for that. That is beautiful. Alright, the next thing we have is the Laneige. I'm gonna butcher so many of these names. I'm sorry, companies. The Water Bank Moisture Cream. Cream Hydrant for normal to dry skin. This will be fun. I love getting, the cool thing I like about these boxes is they do usually come with some kind of moisturizer. So I haven't bought a moisturizer in months because of this box. And also because of BoxyCharm, because they did the, what was it? They did the It Cosmetics cream the other day, Confidence in a Cream. So I have not bought moisturizer for like 7 months because of all the ones I've been getting in these beauty boxes. It's great. Even when they're sample size, because then you can be like, oh, I liked that, that worked for me, I should put that on a list to repurchase, or wow, that did not work for me and I don't need to buy it. And I learned something and I could tell you about it. So I like that about these boxes. The next thing we have is the Allure by Jean Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. How does that work? Look at that. Looks like something you cook with. It's also leaking. I can see the powder transferring onto my hands. Okay. So, it doesn't have any kind of thing to stop it from falling out. That's a little interesting, but that's okay. I like the packaging though. It's cute. Looks nice and sleek, like the white look. Put it on your little bathroom vanity to look good. So this is supposed to mix a tablespoon of Erase with half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply to the face and let dry for 1 minute. While still damp, gently massage away and the paste should come off like little eraser peels, taking blackheads out and reducing large pores. Add a drop of water to continue erasing if the paste dries. Use twice a week or as needed. That's kind of cool. And the ingredients are organic avena sativa, oat flour, organic non-fat milk, magnesium, and carbonate. This is cool. I'm excited to try this because it says suck out blackheads. And I don't know what it is about living back where I live now. It's like my blackheads are way worse than they used to be. I'm not entirely sure why, but whatever. It's okay. So this will be cool to try. I'm really excited for that. We have 2 things left and the little pretty bag. The next thing we have is the Larizzi Cosmetics Lip Gloss. Ooh, it looks like a pretty nude. I'm excited. Feels super moisturizing. And it makes my lips look plump. Now, the last thing we have in here is the Tan Applicator Mitt. Oh my gosh, I don't have one of these. This is cool. Achieve flawless golden tan with the help from our Estropiece Tan Applicator Mitt. This must-have tanning essential helps guarantee perfect streak-free results and stain-free hands every time. For best results, apply any of our St. Tropez tan as directed and blend the tan applicator. This is exciting. I don't have one of these. I am gonna have to go get my tan on, get rid of my blackheads, get beautiful plump lips, and have sparkling eyes and frizz-free hair. Am I missing anything? Oh, and I'm gonna be very well hydrated. So this is the Allure Beauty Box contents for the month of May, and the bag. I'm actually excited for this one because it has this little tab that slides in there. That's kind of cool. That's a new development instead of the snaps. I will be using this today. So that completes this video of the Allure Beauty Box for the month of May. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and make sure to come back. Make sure to subscribe so you can come hang out with me. Hit the like button if you like the video. Tell me what your favorite subscription box is, if you have something different than these, or maybe you have the same, maybe you don't have any and you're looking for the right one. Tell me what you like and what you're thinking. I can't wait to see you guys again, and I love you all. Bye guys. Put it on your banister. It'll look beautiful. Banister. I'm being called. Probably by spam. Today, I'm going to ask you, what is your favorite